The Federal Board of Revenue (FBR) has clarified that taxpayers are free to declare the market value of their movable and immovable assets at their own discretion in tax returns for 2025 without the need for formal valuation or supporting documents. The flexibility, however, does not extend to high net worth individuals who remain subject to stricter reportment requirements under Section 7E of the Income Tax Ordinance 2001. The clarification came in response to misinformation circulating on social media regarding amendments to the income tax return form. The FBR stressed that no statutory regulatory order has been issued, nor had the law been amended. So far, 2.7 million returns have been filed, but recent scrutiny revealed a widespread anomaly. A large number of taxpayers had entered zero in the asset valuation section, raising concerns over compliance and data accuracy. In response, the FBR restricted the options to enter zero in the valuation column, calling it a technical adjustment meant to prevent misuse. FBR Chairman Rashid Mahmood Langrial said that all taxpayers must now declare the value of their assets, though the information, except in the case of high net worth individuals, is not used to calculate tax liability. Asset valuations are also not considered in tax assessments or in reconciling wealth at statements. As such, individuals who have already filed their returns are not required to revise them. Even so, taxpayers have been urged to declare values reasonably aligned with prevailing market conditions as a matter of transparency. The board also confirmed that the IRS system is fully operational and encouraged taxpayers to file returns before the September 30 deadline. Meanwhile, the Pakistan Tax Bar Association and the Karachi Tax Bar Association have written to Finance Minister Mohammad Aurangzeb, calling for an inquiry for the technical issues faced during return filings and requesting an extension of the deadline to ensure taxpayers receive adequate support.